Hello, trucking friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are making a super cute little utility bucket tonight. Okay, I'm pushing buttons. Nothing's happening. Sorry. What am I doing? Oh, I'm pushing buttons, but nothing is happening. Let's try this. There we go. Hello, everybody. We are making a super, super cute little utility bucket tonight for in your kitchen. Because, you know, sometimes I get kind of jealous about those really cute little buckets everybody has with like their little cute cleaning supplies in. Sometimes it doesn't last very long, but every once in a while I do. And we found this cute little utility tote in the Bullseye Playground section a while back, a couple weeks ago, like not very long ago. In fact, I still think they have them. But we're gonna chalk right on the side of this, and then I can put my little, you know, things in it. Because everybody has things, right, in their kitchen. So we're gonna take a transfer that says, make yourself at home, clean my kitchen. I think the transfer's kind of rude. So we're gonna make it a little different than it's meant to be made. Hello, Kathy K. Hello, Nevada Nicole. Welcome, everybody. So we're gonna create this super cute little utility tote and a tag because I don't like the transfer the way it's made. And I like the fact that I can totally, oops, backwards, sorry. Oh. Apparently I cannot push buttons this evening. Okay, we're gonna try this, and then we want this and this. No, it's going backwards. Things are not in their normal spot. There we go. All right, so we're gonna take this super cute little tag and we're gonna say make yourself at home, because I think that would be really cute in a guest room, in a guest bathroom. Maybe if you had company coming and you had a little basket on the bed waiting for them when they got here. I think make yourself at home is just super adorable. So we're gonna put that on a tag, and then on our little utility tote, we're going to put clean. Possibly my kitchen if it fits. You know, because really, don't you just wish sometimes that the little magic fairies would come at the end of the night and they would, and your kitchen would be clean? I know I do. I wish that would happen. Are they out of the new green paste? Really want it. The pistachio, Kathy K? All the new and Vogue colors are out of stock. But I can look and tell you when it's back in stock. Right, Nicole? It's just a little rude. Make yourself at home, clean my kitchen. I mean, it's kind of like bed and breakfast where you make both, but I thought that one was funny. This one, I don't think it's funny. So we're going to play around with it. We're going to make it differently. And that's kind of the beauty of this product is you can totally make them a different way than they're designed to be made. And I think the make yourself at home is really cute. I don't mind clean my kitchen, as long as it's not directed at my guests. I guess. Is my moral to the story. So we're gonna do make yourself at home on this super cute little tag, and then you could attach this to all kinds of things. Yeah, Kathy K, the pistachio is out of stock. I'll look and see when it's gonna be back in stock, and I'll let you know. And then we're gonna do clean on this really cute little tote, and then you know you can put your soaps in it, your dust. I mean, you could just. Possibilities are endless with the utility tote. Nicole needs the cleaning fairies too. Yes, I need the cleaning fairies. All right, so we're gonna do the cute little tag, and I think we're gonna do the cute little tag in Dune, because that's the color I have handy right here. Although let me take that back. We're gonna do the cute little tag in grayish. We would normally do white, but I'm out of white, and it's not here yet. I know, right? How do you run out of white chalk paste? It's the one color you should never run out of. Well, let me tell you, I ordered enough. I'm never going to run out of it again. But I am out of it. And I think for our clean my kitchen, it's going to be a tight fit. But it'll work. And I think I almost want to do storm. So it's not, you know, like in your face, bold, but there. We could do black. I want to go storm. So we're gonna play with some grays tonight. So this is an A-size transfer. I mean, I really like the little stars. So this transfer really has some nice components to it. But you don't have to make it the way that it's designed to be made. Now, some people, like this would be a really funny tea towel. That I'll give you. It'd be a super funny tea towel if you inked a tea towel. Okay, so I guess I can see it like that as a tea towel. I can't see it as a sign though. So, all right, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna take my transfer off, and I'm going to put it on my tag. It doesn't fit in that direction, so we're gonna stick it this way. And we're just gonna kind of center it at the end. Only it would help if it was straight. So I'm Making Maria. I'm your Chalk Couture independent designer. Welcome to my live demonstration video. I make a live demonstration video every evening at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, with the exception of Saturdays. Oops, I don't do it on Saturday. You're gonna open up your chalk paste. You're gonna give it a stir. You want it to be nice and creamy. And then you stick your squeegee right in it, and you just squeegee right over your transfer. Voila. You have the super cute little sign that says "Make Yourself at Home," and you could even put one of the cute little houses from some of the other transfers on it. So see, look at how cute that is. I mean, even if you had like their towels on a bed when you had guests, you know, when we can have guests again in our homes, I just think there's some really cute ways to utilize this transfer. Okay, so we're gonna do clean my kitchen, and I'm being very sorry, why can't you see me? Oh, I'm frozen. Oh, yay. I'm being strategic in where I place the transfer because this container has the lines. So I'm only gonna have one little spot up here that it's above the lines, or in the lines, I guess to say. So it looks like I'm freezing a little bit, but not a ton. So I'm gonna power through. Clean up my chalk paste. Close her up. Is that the darker gray? No, Nicole, this is gray. Oops, don't do that on your wet chalk. This is grayish. Come on, camera. This is grayish, which is it's a very dirty white. So it's a very light white. Now we're gonna use Storm. Storm is the darker gray. And we could do black for clean, and then the little, I kind of like the little star guys. We could do those guys in grayish. Or we could do black for clean, my kitchen, and the little star guys in Storm. Let's do that. Let's do a little combo. Oh, that's the shimmer. I don't want to do the shimmer on this. Black. So we're gonna do a couple different colors. So first we're gonna do black. Take my squeegee, dip it in, load it up, and we're gonna do clean. You know how sometimes you have that where you see a transfer and you're like, I'm not seeing it. And then somebody makes something, that for me, somebody makes something with it. And they're like, oh my gosh, that transfer is so cool. That hasn't happened with me so far with this transfer, but I think what we're gonna make here this evening is adorable. Okay, so just cover up your whole silk screen, squeegee across, make sure your lines are smooth. And I'm gonna just keep going real quick with my Storm. I'm not gonna pull, just because I'm not 100% sure, confident that I would get it lined back up quickly enough. So I'm just covering up my little kind of twinkle stars, which to me are kind of appear to be like a little bit like bubbles. Hi. Yeah. Thank you for asking. Yep. All right. Okay. I'm gonna peel her off. Now, I should have fuzzed it because it's really stuck. So be careful when you pull when it's really stuck. Don't pull it diagonally. Okay, that's adorable. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little cleanup here. So what we have is we have Clean My Kitchen and Make Yourself at Home. We used black and Storm Chalkology paste. It's the fun paste colors that we used. Super fun colors. Or lack of color, right? Black is the non-color. And then you can put your super fun little, oops, I did get a little bit of the other part there, so I'm gonna wash that right off. And I have a little tiny bleed in between the letters, so I'm gonna wait real quick for the black to dry. And then what I'll do is I'll be able to get that off because it's on the metal. It'll come right off. So, make yourself at home. I'm just letting it dry. I'm gonna pull up my little handy dandy craft dryer here in a second. That I need to change where it's plugged in. I haven't done that yet. Oops, that's low, this is high. I'm gonna just dry it up here by this L so I can pick off the part that I got where I didn't want it. That's because I went over the line. Very common when you are chalking on something that has ridges. You know, it's not uncommon to get a bleed over the ridge. So you just have to kind of know that going into it, and then you just fix it when it's done. Okay, I'm gonna take my detail tool. Love my detail tool. Little itty bitty teeny weeny squeegee on one end and a little pokey thing on the other end. I'm gonna use my pokey thing. Don't you love my technical terms? And I can just go right across and get it off. Like so. Voila. And I'm just gonna take a little Q-tip here, get my excess off. And voila. All gone. So voila. Make yourself at home and clean my kitchen. So clean my kitchen, I'll put my kitchen stuff inside of it. So I'm not necessarily directing someone else to clean my kitchen. Because let's face it, we all know who's the only person that cleans our kitchen, right? All right, so this is it. That's all I got for you tonight. Super cute little way to get creative with your transfers and create them in a way that is truly not the way that they were designed to be made. It's just kind of a fun outlet to look at them and kind of think about, well, what else could I do with that? I love this little make yourself at home tag. I absolutely positively love that, and I think that we can do a lot of fun little things with little tags like this. So we have a couple of fun things coming up. I am planning a really fun customer event with some girlfriends of mine, and it's makeup, manis, and make and take. We're going to make a project. We're going to make a project. We're going to do nails, and we're going to play with makeup. It's going to be super, super fun. So if you're interested in that, you can comment interested, and I will send you some of the information. We're in the final stages of planning, so I can get you... now I have to go buy this little bin. Kathy K. Kathy K, I got it at Target. It was $5 in the bullseye section, and I'm pretty sure they still have them. Because it was only like 2 or 3 weeks ago that I bought it. So we're having this really, really fun little girls' night. We're going to play games, and we're going to laugh and giggle, and there's going to be all kinds of prizes, and it's really inexpensive to join. It's like a $20 savings in retail value for projects, so it's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait. We're going to just get together for like an hour, laugh and giggle, play games, and create a project, do some nails, and play with makeup. So if you're interested at all, it's going to be super, super fun. You can message me, you can comment interested, I can send you the links. There's just all kinds of fun things going on. So it's coming up. So that's what I got for you here this evening. I am Making Maria, your Chalk Couture independent designer. If you want to check out any of these amazing products, you can go to www.chalkcouture.com/makingmaria. Oh, and I should say, the event is virtual. So you get to stay in your jammies. Nobody's going to see you. You're only going to see us. So you can totally relax, drink a glass of wine, have your fuzzy slippers on, and have a really good time laughing and giggling with girls. Because, you know, don't we all at this point just need a little bit of girl time? Oh yeah, you totally need a little bit of girl time. So that's what we got coming up. So I've been working really hard on that, so you're going to hear a lot about that as it gets closer. It is on Wednesday, March 24th at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. But you don't have to attend live because everything will be recorded. Obviously, you have to attend live to play the games and win the prizes, but all the rest of it, you can totally watch the videos at any time. So if that is not a good day and time for you, you can totally still participate. And bring your friends. Wouldn't it be fun to do a whole little, like, friend group? Oh my gosh, it would be so much fun. I could go on and on about all the fun we could have. All right, I'm done yapping. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will be back at you tomorrow night for Wednesday night chalking. I hope you have an amazing hump day, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much, guys.